This 2026 Alliance RV Paradigm 340RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep's 4 carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, slide-out, LP detector, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, air conditioning, awning, microwave, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Alliance RV Paradigm 340RL is 12,782 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.